Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something interesting is happening as we had a growing market share for Windows 11 most of the year last year. This year, something weird is happening. So, of course, we are the 1st of April 2024. It's the time when we take a look at what's the market share for Windows 10 and 11. So, Windows 10 is dominant, 69.04. But what's very interesting about it is that in January it was 66.4. And February went to 67.26. And now a huge jump to 69%. It's growing again, which is a very interesting thing happening, especially thinking that if there's new PCs sold, most of them must have Windows 11, unless there's still a huge chunk of PCs with Windows 10 being sold somewhere. So this is very, very weird. And at the same time, if we look at the Windows 11 in January was 27.8. It went to 28.16 in February, but now it loses 1.5% down to 26.72. So it's as if a lot of the Windows 11 loss went to Windows 10 gain. So this is very bizarre, very, very bizarre. So I guess it also means that a lot of people don't want to move to Windows 11. There's some resistance here for sure. So we indeed have a very peculiar year, considering that PC sales are going up and that they should advantage Windows 11. So what would be the explanation for this? This is very, very interesting. And, of course, there's the other browser. Our market share for the operating system, 8.1, Windows 7, and Windows XP. These are pretty kind of stalled at these very low numbers for sure. And that 3%, a lot of it must be, enterprise that need Windows 7 for some specific task that cannot be done with anything else. So, Windows 10 gaining, Windows 11 losing. Very bizarre. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.